Hey, so I'm back here in the Alabama Museum of Natural History's collection space, and today an artist is actually going to come and measure in barn owl. So these collections are actually not only used for scientists, but also folks in the community who make contact with the museum can measure and study these skins as well. So the barn owls are actually kept with the bugs, which are my favorite. So let's go down this aisle and check it out. I had no idea that artists use natural history museums for their art, so this is going to be really cool. So you are actually measuring these for an art, like a sculpture.
That's correct. These will be used, or the information that we get from these will be useful in helping us. Caleb O'Connor and Craig Weatherspoon construct the image of the owl that will be
part of the
sculpture. And it has been decided that she will be perhaps the young representation of Minerva, which is on the university seal. And of course the owl has been associated with Minerva or Athena for forever. So the idea was that we'd include an owl and she'll be stretched out and the owl will be just leaving her hand. Caleb and Craig will be working closely on this, and they are working on the design elements right now. And
so where are you working at this studio, or in his studio, or your
Caleb will do the design and modeling in his studio, and then Craig will pour the bronze over here.
Are you an artist as well then?
Yeah, but I don't get to do it very much.
Yeah.
He has a gallery.
Yeah, no, I actually looked it all up and was looking at pictures inside and stuff, so that's cool.
It is the first Friday of every month. There is a...
Is that's where the wine and stuff is?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
We have a
So I have friends that talk about that all the time. I have to show you the bugs too, because they're pretty cool. Leptra, Homoptera, ooh, how about Lepidoptera? These are usually pretty cool too. Oh, those are tall. Oh, those are some cool Orthopteras. Museums are intertwined in our life all the time, and we don't even think about it.